Ferrari 849 Testarossa. The new supercar benchmark, the 2026 Ferrari 849 Testarossa, doesn't just improve on its predecessor. It redefines what a supercar should be, replacing the SF90 Stradale as Ferrari's flagship series production car. The 849 delivers a staggering 1,050 CV, 772 kW of power through a refined plug-in hybrid PHEV V8 system. For buyers who don't have direct access to limited production Ferraris like the F80, this is the closest they'll get to the pinnacle of Italian performance engineering, a leap forward in performance and design. While some may dismiss it as a mere facelift of the SF90, the 849 is far more substantial. Ferrari has not just tweaked existing components. It has overhauled the engine, aerodynamics, and control systems to create a vehicle that feels like a generational leap forward. The 849's 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 now produces 610 kW, paired with 3 electric motors for enhanced power delivery and all-wheel drive capability. The result? Under 2.3 seconds to 100 km/h and a top speed exceeding 330 km/h. This isn't just fast, it's brutally quick, outperforming even the LaFerrari in acceleration metrics. Interior refinements. Back to basics, Ferrari has addressed a key criticism of modern supercars: over-reliance on touch-sensitive controls. The 849 Testarossa returns to physical buttons on the steering wheel, making critical functions easily accessible even at extreme speeds. This shift reflects a pragmatic approach, recognizing that drivers don't want to fumble with digital interfaces when pushing the car's limits. The interior also boasts improved technology integration, with faster Apple CarPlay and a wireless charger. Though its performance with larger phones remains inconsistent, the cabin blends traditional Ferrari elements, such as the iconic geargate motif inspired by the F80, with modern design cues. Engineering details. A deep dive, the 849 Testarossa doesn't just rely on brute force, it's a masterclass in engineering refinement. Hybrid system, the 7.9 kWh battery offers up to 25 km of electric-only range, though many owners likely won't utilize it. Turbocharger, the largest ever used by Ferrari, with low-friction bearings and a heat shield borrowed from the F80 hypercar. Aerodynamics. Extensive revisions to the underfloor and rear wing, especially in the Assetto Fiorano trim, maximize downforce without adding excessive drag. Software 5. Ferrari's in-house developed Integrated Vehicle Estimator predicts vehicle speed and yaw angle with remarkable accuracy, optimizing stability control and performance. Pricing and availability. The 2026 Ferrari 849 Testarossa starts at $932,648 before on-road costs, while the Spider variant commands $1,015,589. These prices reflect the car's position as Ferrari's new flagship, surpassing the SF90 in both performance and exclusivity. Deliveries begin in the fourth quarter of 2026, with the Spider following in early 2027. The verdict: the Ferrari 849 Testarossa isn't just another supercar, it's a statement. Despite the hefty price tag, it sets a new standard for performance, technology, and driver engagement. Whether it's the raw acceleration, the refined interior, or the advanced engineering under the hood, the 849 promises an experience that few other cars can match.